In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80070057 error on Windows 10, 8, 7. First thing you want to do is go to this PC and find the drive that you're having issues with. Let's say it's this one. So just go here, right click, properties, tools, and click check. Now this error checking tool will basically check for any errors and automatically fix it for you. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, so the next thing you want to do is close this down, go here, type in cmd, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and type in these 4 commands. So net stop WUASERP, then type the second one, net stop crypt SVC, then type net start WUAUSERV and press enter. Then lastly type net start crypt SVC, and once this is done, you can just restart your computer and you're done.